outside today enjoying the lovely autumn weather in London, so I hope you're doing well and do let me know in the comments. So I've been out today in the park and enjoying the weather, so do look out for my autumn playlist and the videos there. And don't forget to like and thumbs up if you like my videos, do comment and let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you're new here. Hey lovelies, so I wanted to do a quick catch up with you and also show you my recent favourites. But first I'll show you a bit more of what I've been getting up to this season, and that includes doing some shopping. So I went to a market and I got some lovely seasonal vegetables, and also just shopping in general and seeing what is in this season. So there's so much great things to see and I hope it's helpful. So I had oats for breakfast, which is brilliant in the autumn and winter. And here's a look at a lovely autumn wreath. So here's the market I stopped by. So there's so many vegetables here with such vibrant colours. There were pumpkins, which are of course so popular this season. So a lot of the vegetables here would be perfect ingredients for soups in the autumn time. So here's some cabbage, and isn't the purple one so vibrant? So there's courgettes here, sweet potatoes and more. So remember to check out your market for fresh veg. So thanks for stopping by here with me. So I hope you enjoyed watching, seeing what I got up to out and about, and now I want to catch up with you. So I actually haven't been getting up to too much because of my injury, so I actually haven't filled you in because I'm a bit slow to editing, but I broke my ankle, so I've been getting around in this boot. So this boot has been really helpful and might be a bit of a shock to you guys because you haven't seen the initial video I made where I actually talked about my ankle and it breaking and all the ins and outs of that. So hopefully I can fill you in at a different time. So I've been getting around with this boot, which has been very helpful, although a bit cumbersome. And also I've been using my sticks, so it's been very tricky getting used to manoeuvring with basically one foot and the other one with a lot of help, but that's what's been going on with me. The healing process is going good, but it also is a lot of patience, and definitely you have to change your mindset on a lot of things you do daily. So you guys tell me, have you broken any bones, and how was it for you? What bone did you break, and are there any tips perhaps you could give me or anyone else perhaps who might experience this type of injury, or like daily kind of differentness? So do drop that below, it'd be really great to read. So here's a look at my autumn favourites. So I thought I'd show you a series of autumn items I've seen and are great for this season. So there are great recipes you can check out this autumn, which really do look super tasty. So here is a very interesting autumn cake. And autumn willies. I love checking out and buying new hats for this season. So here's a few I saw. And candles. Can you do autumn without the beloved candle? So here are a few Yankee candles I saw. So I checked out some jumpers in this season, and I hope you like seeing. This top is so cute. So would you wear this, guys? So it's a cardigan. And then here is more of the selection. I'm really liking this cheetah one. So this cheetah print in grey and pink. Got more browns and pinks. So we've got pinks, browns and grey. So I just wanted to show you what I'm having for dinner, and I haven't had this for a while, so I'm really excited to taste it and really enjoy the flavours. So lovelies, I've got here dinner. So I've got roti in this bag, a bit dim, so it's quite a lot, and that has to be warmed up. So I have here 3 sides to go with the roti. So I'll just give you a show. So side number 1 is this, and this looks so delicious. So I've got here spinach, peas and chickpeas. So this is number 1 side. Doesn't that look so good? And it also looks really healthy too. So this is the next one, and this is some meat. It's really tricky doing this one-handed. So this is the meat side, and I think this is lamb. so the last container also just has some meat in, and that's chicken. So this is dinner. So I have roti and these 3 sides. So I'm really excited to eat this and have dinner because I know that this is just going to taste so delish. So if you haven't tried this dish of spinach, peas and chickpeas, do. It's really delicious, I think, and definitely worth a try. So lovelies, this is dinner today. So I've got the roti there and also the sides. So this looks really delicious and I'm really excited to eat it because I'm really hungry. So I just wanted to show you what I'm having for dinner today. So let me know what is your favourite or go-to dinner and drop that below. So November is famous for its fireworks, so I hope you enjoy watching this fantastic display, and do let me know what you liked in this vlog in the comments below. So don't forget to thumbs up if you like this vlog, do comment and subscribe if you're new. So take care, thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.